protects car doors from scratches and dents, preserves paint, absorbs impact, and enhances long-term vehicle appearance and value. My today's video is about top 5 best flexible car door entry guards that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yosser 5 PCS Door Sill Guard. The Dodge Universal Car Door Entry Guards are a practical and stylish upgrade for any vehicle. Designed to fit a wide range of Dodge models, this set includes 2 front door jam stickers, 23.6 inches, 2 rear door jam stickers, 15.7 inches, and a trunk threshold sticker, providing full coverage for your car's high contact areas. Crafted from premium microfiber leather with a carbon fiber texture, these guards are tough, thick, waterproof, and scratch-resistant, ensuring long-lasting protection while adding a sleek, sporty aesthetic. Installation is simple: clean the surface, peel and stick the guards, then smooth out bubbles for perfect adhesion. They shield thresholds from scratches, prevent stains, and cover existing marks, saving time and money on paint repairs. With high-quality materials and precise logo detailing, they seamlessly enhance your car's interior look. Backed by a 1-month return policy and 3-month warranty, these guards offer both convenience and peace of mind. Durable, stylish, and effective, and essential for Dodge owners. Now our second product is Jalopy 4 PCS Car Door Sill Protector Stickers. The carbon fiber car door sill sticker is a perfect blend of style, protection, and practicality for any vehicle. Designed to cover existing scratches, it prevents further abrasion and preserves your car's original paint, making it ideal for both new and older vehicles. Crafted from high-quality leather with an exquisite carbon fiber texture, the stickers are thick, flexible, and bendable, allowing them to fit curves and arcs perfectly while offering exceptional wear resistance. Their full-coverage self-adhesive ensures a tight, lasting fit, is waterproof and sunproof, and can be removed without leaving residue or damaging the paint. Installation is effortless, requiring no additional tools, and the stickers are compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and pickup trucks. Beyond protection, the stylish carbon fiber design with clear logo patterns adds a modern, sporty touch, enhancing your car's interior aesthetics. Durable, practical, and visually striking, these stickers serve as both a safeguard and a stylish decoration for any vehicle. Our third product is Rugged Ridge All-Terrain Entry Guards. The Rugged Ridge All-Terrain Entry Guards for the 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JKU 4-door are a must-have accessory for Jeep owners seeking both protection and style. Specifically designed for lower door sills, these guards prevent wear and tear while covering existing scratches or damage. Their extended length and width provide maximum coverage exactly where it's needed, safeguarding high-contact areas from scuffs, mud, and daily use. The entry guard floor kit includes 4 precisely contoured guards that align perfectly with the Jeep's rails, ensuring a seamless, factory-like fit. Installation is quick and hassle-free, using super strong automotive-grade acrylic adhesive tape, requiring no specialized tools. Beyond functionality, these guards exemplify Rugged Ridge's commitment to quality, joining a long line of trusted Jeep parts and accessories such as bumpers, lift kits, and floor liners. Backed by an industry-leading 5-year warranty, they offer peace of mind and long-term durability, making these entry guards both a practical and stylish upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler JKU. Now number 4, Tech Baba Door Sill Protector Compatible. The full-coverage door sill protectors for Jeep Gladiator JT and Wrangler JL Unlimited 4-door models are a perfect combination of protection, durability, and design precision. Engineered to fit 2020 to 2026 Gladiator models and 2018 to 2026 Wrangler JL Unlimited 4-door models, these protectors mirror the original car design for a seamless, factory-like appearance. Made from high-grade thermoplastic elastomer, TPE, the exterior strips offer superior resistance to weather, UV rays, and abrasion, while the interior strips provide a softer, scuff-resistant finish that protects paint from scratches in everyday wear. Functionally, the exterior strips create a strong barrier against water, dust, and road noise, while the interior strips safeguard the sill during entry and exit, adding anti-slip safety for passengers. Installation is quick and tool-free, with detailed diagrams available online, and a simple hair dryer trick ensures strong adhesion in colder climates. Durable, stylish, and practical, these door sill protectors enhance both the safety and aesthetics of your Jeep. And our last choice is Humuto Car Door Sill Scuff Protector. The Mazda CX-30 door entry guard plate for 2020 to 2024 models is a high-quality accessory designed to protect your vehicle from daily wear and tear. Unlike standard door threshold stickers that may fade or peel over time, this guard plate is built to last, shielding your car's inner door sills from scratches, scuffs, and damage caused by shoes, bags, or other impacts. Crafted from premium stainless steel and durable rubber, it withstands heavy use, including high-heeled shoes, and resists heat, outdoor exposure, and deformation, keeping your car's paint flawless. Installation is straightforward. Simply clean the target surface, remove the protective film, apply the strong adhesive, and press firmly to ensure a seamless fit. Beyond protection, the sleek, polished design adds a subtle touch of style to your Mazda CX-30, enhancing its interior aesthetics. Smooth and easy to clean, it stays looking new with minimal effort. Practical, durable, and stylish, it's an essential accessory for preserving your vehicle. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.